हिताहारोपयोगात् व्यतिरिक्तात् अन्यरोगप्रकृतयः सन्ति। तद्यथा कालविपर्ययः, प्रज्ञापराधः, शब्दस्पर्शरूपरसगन्धः च असात्मिनः इति। ताः च रोगप्रकृतयः यं पुरुषं रसान् सम्यक् उपयुञ्जानो अपि अशुभेन व्याधिः उत्पादयन्ति। तस्मात् इति संक्षेपतः अत्रेय उवाच तस्मात् हिताहारसेविनो अपि दृश्यन्ते व्याधिमन्तः।
Atreya explains that even with a healthy diet, hidden factors can still lead to diseases. Let's explore this with examples. Seasonal disturbances. Even healthy people catch colds in winter or get dehydrated in summer, showing nature's timing. Mistakes against wisdom. Hitahara won't help if you harm yourself, like surviving on salad, but sleeping only for 3 hours. A healthy diet won't help if you misuse your senses, like hours of excessive scrolling harming your eyes. So, Agniveśa, healthy diet is just one pillar of health, but time, mind and senses also shape our well-being. In a nutshell, health is not just about what you eat, it's also about how you live. For a wealth of Ayurveda wisdom, follow for more.